Welcome! In front of me I have ZTE Watch Live, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And here we have the option called HR. This is the heart rate widget or application. Tap on this icon to open the app right here. And once you open the app, you can tap on the measure button to start the measurement. I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, wake up the screen, and tap on the button, and it's gonna start measuring. And here we have our result, as you can see. And once you get your result, you can press the side button to go back. And as you can see here, we have the graph of the average heart rates. We can tap on measure again to measure the heart rate again. And if you want to exit this widget, you can simply press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.